Alexander, today we're going to be talking about the trends in the AV industry and things that you at Efterklang foresee for 2025 and beyond. Before we get started, would you mind doing a small introduction for yourself and Efterklang?
My name is Alexander Kassberg, and I'm a senior sound designer at Efterklang, part of AFRY in Sweden. We're a sound design and acoustics agency, and I primarily work with design of soundscapes in physical environments. For example, retail, hotels, and offices.
Perfect. Let's get right into it. So tell me, what are some of the trends in the AV industry that you're seeing right now?
I think the most interesting industry trend is an overall increased understanding on the client side of how much sound matters and how much it actually affects people. In all the areas we operate, pretty much, we see a bigger appreciation and demand for high quality soundscapes. Many workplaces are now going beyond basic acoustic treatment and actually incorporating sound design and adding sounds to the office to create more inviting and more functional office spaces. And within retail, I think more and more retailers are realizing how powerful sound design can be as a tool to both improve brand expression, the customer experience, but also the workplace environment for the retail staff, which means going far beyond like simple playlist services to design the soundscape in the retail space.
Perfect. Thank you. And then a juicy question. How do you see AI influencing the AV industry?
There is probably a big potential for AI technology when it comes to content creation and curation. For example, through AI-generated music. But in my opinion, there are still too many issues regarding law, regarding ethics, and definitely regarding quality that remains to be solved. But sure, as a tool in our creative process, like new clever software plugins for music productions, or using ChatGPT as sort of like a creative sparring partner. Sure, it has already started to affect and improve our work process.
Amazing. Moving on to the last question. And how have you used directional speakers to solve client problems?
Directional speakers has been a very important tool in our sound design toolbox for well over a decade. Because whenever you're in a physical space and need to have strict control over like which sound can be heard where and by whom, there are really no other viable options than directional speaker technology. And in my opinion, the performance and the quality of Pamphonics is pretty much unmatched. I think one of our most notable use cases of directional audio technology is for the Swedish bank Swedbank, wherein over 80 bank offices around Sweden, we use sound showers to create sound masking zones in the waiting areas inside the bank to improve speech integrity and to protect private financial conversations.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time today and have a good day.
Thank you so much for having me.